Okay, you guys, today's video is going to be really short. It's just a tour of the mansion here. It's a self-guided tour here in one of the parks, and I will put the name of the park and the title description.
Oh, Wildwood Preserve.
Wildwood Preserve is where it is, but that's not the mansion. So it's an open free tour, self-guided, and as long as Noodle's in his backpack, he can go. So he's all down for that. So we're going to start a video right after our intro now. Okay, like I said, it's a free tour. The first floor is a self-guided tour. Yeah, so it's just 45 minutes to an hour. And as you can see, it is extremely beautiful. Say that again?
It's called the Manor.
Oh, cool. There you go.
You can take a virtual tour with your phone. So scan that QR code, guys, in the video. And you can see what we see.
Yay! Well, I told you guys, I don't know what I'd do without saying it. He is the facts guy. He pays attention. I just walk. All right, let's get started. And we won't talk too much because we're not in here by ourselves. And so, off is the parlor. Old-fashioned typewriter. How cool is that? And look at that. Is that George Washington? Okay. And then the powder room. You've seen one powder room, you've seen them all. So all this tells you a little bit about the manor. It was built to last. Oh my goodness. All you car guys out there, you probably know a lot about that. Look at that. We're gonna go in the garden next. But how cool is that? That is when double doors were becoming a thing. Oh my goodness. Look at that clock. And more. So I'm starting to think the person who used to live here has something to do with the Champion Spark book. Because it's everywhere. And he's got a trophy and everything. Oh my goodness, the old keys on every horror movie. This wallpaper is something else. So going in the hall. This looks like a fancy meeting hall. I don't know if this was original or if this is just now where they come to meet. But that chandelier is divine. It's got paintings on the wall. They were dog lovers too. Do not sit or play the piano. There's the garden. We'll walk through that in a second. Fine china. I love history. Oh my goodness. An all-season solarium. You can go right out to the garden from here and walk around it. And then they put these tables out here so you can come and sit and I guess enjoy the area now. I don't think this was how it was. I'm pretty sure they had furniture out here. But it's just so unique and cool. Fireplace. And so these are the plans for the house. Wow. The architectural plans has the garden mapped out and everything. Let's finish our tour. Oh my goodness. And this is the library. Nice old desk, pictures, books. Some memorabilia of the people that used to live here. Coming into the house. And they also have some pamphlets to kind of tell you about the house too. But old books. Probably had a lot of fireplaces to keep this place warm. Step stool for the books at the top shelf. So these are pictures of people who sat in this room in these chairs. Here they go. Alright, we're gonna keep moving. And apparently they like to watch birds because you got some bird books of Ohio, which is super cool. So he was sitting right around here. Alright, let's keep moving. And then upstairs, I would not want to clean this house. It's a lot of vacuum. So we're gonna go back this way to go in there. How cool. I'm assuming these are like little tea bowls. I could be wrong, but I believe it's tea. Look at this old TV. Imagine having to watch this. But that was state of the art. Okay. And we're gonna take a peek at the dining room, and that will complete our tour of the bottom floor of this particular house. I think they do a tour of upstairs, but that's in the evening. Just a little snippet, something to show you what we do, and it was free, and it was at the park, and we're gonna enjoy the garden outside. I'll take some pictures of that. You can see those on Instagram. This is so cool. And then they have the kitchen. And the butler's pantry, and the kitchen. All right, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead on and end this video because the tour is pretty much over. As you can see, it's just something you could do if you're ever here in Ohio, something free to kind of roam around, take the tour, see a little bit of history. There's nothing wrong with that. And enjoy yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscription button as well as the notification bell. Today we were in a mansion. Yesterday we were on an island. Today a mansion. We enjoyed taking you guys on trips with us. So we're gonna say goodbye.
See you guys.
All right, to the next video.